It's cold out here today. Today we're going to be looking at the 26Rkbs by Flagstaff. It is a super light, very much half-ton towable. Great couples coach, very easy to tow, get around in and out of campsites. Unit that is packed full of features. We've talked before about how the standard features are your electric tongue jack, your electric stabilizing jacks, frameless windows, things of that nature. A few things I want to talk about this today is the construction of the Flagstaff. Nowhere in this coach will you find any particle build whatsoever in their build. Everything from 5/8 inch tongue and groove plywood flooring that was screwed and glued to the frame, fully laminated roof, there again 3/8 inch decking up on top. All their drawers are made out of 5-ply, 1/2 inch plywood. Look around, open cabinet doors when you look at our competitors. I guarantee you'll find particle board most products. Come on, let's take a look on the inside. Here we are inside the 26Rkbs. A lot of folks really like a rear kitchen due to the simple fact, coming in and out inside the coach to get other stuff while you're outside grilling. You walk in the door, you don't have to traipse through the whole coach. Everything is right here for your outdoor cooking and entertainment. Some neat features about this particular unit, and all their Flagstaffs, standard is the heated and massaged recliners. Fireplace on board this particular coach. Flat screen TV, very unique feature. Most manufacturers will waste this space behind the television. And this particular product, more storage. As we move towards the bedroom, you'll notice there's plenty of wardrobe space to store all your gear. Double wardrobe, 4 drawers down below. And as we lift the bed, you'll notice there's 2 more deep drawers. On the 26Rkbs, we have this unit equipped with 2 central air units. Your main AC unit is a 15,000 BTU. Second AC unit is a 13,500 BTU units. They're all one thermostat, so you actually have room control. If you want one part of the coach to be 68 degrees, the opposing part of the coach to be 72, this unit is designed to be set up that way. I dare you to find that on someone else's product. Come on, I want to show you a neat feature on the outside of this coach. Here we have a full outside kitchen. I kind of call this an outside kitchen on steroids. 2-burner cooktop, oversized refrigerator, and this even comes with a gas griddle. So you can do all kinds of tailgating, outdoor family entertainment. Awning that covers both doors to keep you dry in inclement weather. Outside TV hookup. Great floor plan. Come take a look at it. Cookeville RV and Marine, your adventure awaits.